Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's going to save you a lot of potential headache and heartache, the 6 worst car brands of 2024 that you should definitely avoid. Buying a car is a big decision, and the last thing you want is to end up with a lemon that's constantly in the shop or giving you problems. Now, I'm not saying that every single car from these brands is going to be a disaster. You might get lucky and find a diamond in the rough. Or maybe you've had a good experience with one of these brands in the past. However, based on industry data, reliability ratings, customer reviews, and my own expertise, these are the brands that consistently raise red flags. So buckle up because we're going to break down each brand, talk about their shortcomings, and give you the information you need to steer clear of these automotive pitfalls. Let's get started. First up on our list of car brands to avoid is Brand A. Brand A used to have a reputation for building solid, dependable vehicles. But things took a turn. In recent years, Brand A has been plagued with reliability issues. From engine problems to transmission failures to electrical gremlins, there's always something going wrong. Repairing a Brand A can be a real pain in the wallet. Their parts are often more expensive and repairs more time-consuming. Countless forum posts and reviews from frustrated owners highlight these issues. One common complaint is their CVT transmissions, known for being jerky, unreliable, and prone to failure. Replacing a CVT can be very costly. Brand A makes stylish vehicles, but the reliability issues and costs aren't worth it. There are plenty of other brands that offer similar vehicles without the headaches. Next up is Brand B, a brand that seems to be stuck in the automotive Stone Age. While other manufacturers push the boundaries of technology, Brand B churns out outdated vehicles year after year. One of the biggest issues with Brand B is their reluctance to embrace modern technology. Many of their vehicles still lack basic features considered standard on even the most affordable cars. Want Apple CarPlay or Android Auto in your Brand B? Good luck finding it. Advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control or lane keeping assist? Look elsewhere. It's not just the lack of features that's concerning. Brand B's powertrains are also woefully outdated. While others move towards efficient engines and hybrid technology, Brand B relies on large, sluggish engines. And don't even get me started on their infotainment systems. Brand B's infotainment systems are laggy, difficult to use, and visually unappealing. They look like they were designed in the early 2000s and haven't been updated since. Look, not everyone needs the latest technology in their car. But when a brand consistently lags behind in technology and innovation, it raises serious questions about their commitment to staying relevant. In today's rapidly evolving automotive landscape, Brand B's outdated technology and lack of innovation are simply unacceptable. Moving on to Brand C, a brand that's notorious for its abysmal customer service and low satisfaction ratings. Buying a car is a major purchase, and it's important to feel confident that the brand you choose stands behind its products and values its customers. Unfortunately, that's not the case with Brand C. Brand C consistently ranks at the bottom of customer satisfaction surveys, and for good reason. Their dealerships are often accused of being unhelpful, unresponsive, and even downright rude. Stories abound of Brand C customers being given the runaround when they bring their vehicles in for service, only to be hit with exorbitant repair bills for problems that should have been covered under warranty. And if you try to contact Brand C's corporate office for help, good luck getting through to a real person or receiving a timely response. It seems like Brand C has completely forgotten that their customers are the reason they're in business. Instead of going above and beyond to ensure customer satisfaction, they seem content to treat their customers like an inconvenience. This blatant disregard for customer service is simply unacceptable in today's competitive market. There are plenty of other car brands out there that understand the importance of building strong customer relationships and providing exceptional service. Don't settle for anything less. Up next is Brand D, a brand that has unfortunately earned a reputation for frequent recalls and safety issues. Now, I understand that every automaker has to issue recalls from time to time. It's the nature of the business. But Brand D's track record of recalls is truly alarming. Year after year, Brand D vehicles are recalled for a wide range of serious safety defects, from faulty airbags to defective brakes to engine problems that could lead to fires. These aren't just minor issues, folks. These are serious safety concerns that could put you and your loved ones at risk. What's particularly concerning about Brand D's recalls is that they often seem to be reactive rather than proactive. Instead of identifying and addressing potential safety issues before they become major problems, Brand D often waits until there have been multiple reports of accidents or injuries before issuing a recall. This reactive approach to safety is simply unacceptable. When you're behind the wheel of a car, you need to know that you can trust the vehicle to keep you safe. With Brand D, that trust is often broken. Their history of recalls and safety issues is a major red flag, and it's one that you should take very seriously before even considering buying one of their vehicles. Let's talk about Brand E, a brand that's notorious for its poor resale value and high depreciation rates. Now, I know that depreciation is a fact of life when it comes to car ownership. Every car loses value over time, but some brands hold their value better than others, and unfortunately, Brand E is not one of them. Brand E vehicles depreciate at an alarming rate, meaning that you'll lose a significant chunk of your investment if you decide to sell or trade in your car down the road. There are a few reasons for Brand E's poor resale value. First, their vehicles simply aren't as desirable on the used car market as other brands. They don't have the same reputation for reliability, performance, or style as some of their competitors. Second, Brand E tends to have high ownership costs, which can deter potential buyers. Between the higher-than-average repair costs, the poor fuel economy, and the lack of desirable features, owning a used Brand E can quickly become a financial burden. And finally, Brand E simply doesn't have the same brand cachet as some of the more prestigious automakers. They're not seen as aspirational or luxurious, which can hurt their resale value. Last but not least, we come to Brand F, a brand that's known for its lackluster driving experience and overall forgettable vehicles. Look, I get it. Not everyone is looking for a car that's going to set their heart racing every time they get behind the wheel. But even if you're just looking for basic transportation, you should at least enjoy the experience of driving your car, right? Well, with Brand F, that's not always guaranteed. Brand F vehicles are often described as being bland, uninspired, and just plain boring to drive. Their engines lack power, their handling is uninspiring, and their interiors are often cheap and plasticky. It's like Brand F took all the joy out of driving and replaced it with a sense of indifference. Now, I'm not saying that every Brand F vehicle is a complete dud, but in general, their vehicles lack the personality, the refinement, and the driving dynamics that make you excited to get behind the wheel. There are simply too many other options out there that offer a more engaging and enjoyable driving experience. So there you have it. The 6 worst car brands of 2024 that you should definitely avoid. Remember, buying a car is a big decision, and it's important to do your research and choose wisely. Don't be swayed by flashy marketing or tempting incentives. Look beyond the surface and consider factors like reliability, safety, customer satisfaction, and resale value before making your decision. There are plenty of fantastic car brands out there that offer reliable, safe, and enjoyable vehicles. By steering clear of these 6 brands, you'll increase your chances of finding a car that you'll love for years to come. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.